Happy Easter, everybody. Welcome back to the shop. Late winter, early spring's been kind of rough. Lost my mother. And just typical winter stuff going on. Anyway, the Buick's been kind of just chilling. Had it out a couple times. Still looking pretty good. Work has been crazy. Haven't gotten a lot done. But I did go ahead and add a fuse onto the main battery cable you can see here. Looks pretty good. Sorry for the crazy camera angles there. Anyway, hope everybody's doing well. Again, happy Easter. And hopefully we'll do some, some cool stuff later. Or very soon. Have a good day.